Hey friends, it's Fran here, your bigger life coach. I hope you are getting some value out of this conversation around burnout. I'm on a mission to break this cycle that has so many people in self-destruct. That place of working and working, giving and giving, crashing and burning, recovering, rinse and repeat, to the point of huge health crises. It just has to stop, and I'm here to add my voice to that. If this is you and you need some support, you know this, it's already an issue for you, just message me, and I'm more than happy to help you out. We'll connect. But I want to talk today a little bit more about self-care and how it is that we continue not to choose it. It is probably the thing that was the biggest turning point for me, was understanding my relationship to self-care and why I wasn't showing up for myself, counting myself as someone just as important as all the people that I love and care for. So there's a whole bunch of beliefs that go with that whole cycle of give, give, give. Everyone else getting my time, my energy, my support before I would. There's the belief of duty first, responsibility first, then I can take care of myself. And that's kind of like treating self-care as dessert or an option versus an actual requirement, a human life requirement. If we don't have that downtime to relax, to choose ourselves, to increase our energy levels, there's only one way this ends up. You're unable to help all the people that you care about. It has to be a daily choice for me. I've had to learn this the hard way. I've crashed and burned so many times because I didn't understand that choosing myself was actually a requirement for me to be present to others, for me to actually make a difference. It's not dessert. It's what has to happen for me to make the difference I want to make in this world. So I finally learned that. And I had to spend some time with my beliefs around why I would refuse to choose it. Because so many of us, we know better. We know we're supposed to put our mask on and all that stuff, but we don't. And a lot of it is because it's hardwired into our system, especially for women, that we have to put each other first. We have to put others first. It's almost, it's wired into our bodies. It's partially because of parenting. Some of it is because we are the nourishers and so forth. But there's other ones too, not just duty and responsibility first, but a sincere belief, a deep belief that what we want doesn't matter. Sit with that. Is that true? Does what you want really not matter? Something to think about. It's also really about not feeling like we have the time or energy to take care of ourselves. Once again, the time feeling like back to point one, everybody else first, and or second, the energy I just don't have. I just can't. I'm just going to watch a movie tonight, have a glass of wine, and I'll do that thing tomorrow. So we continually postpone the thing that will actually raise our energy levels, the thing that will bring us up in that joy level, that will have us connecting with others, that will have us replenished and renewed. So the Netflix wine choice I love, I use often. However, it doesn't always raise my energy levels. It sometimes leaves me feeling less energized. So I just want to invite you to consider all of these things. I have a Divine Idea workshop coming up this weekend on Sunday afternoon. A little bit of a time to go inward, to nourish and sit with some of these ideas that are holding you back around taking care of yourself, and maybe putting some energy into what it is you do want. What would you love? What would you enjoy doing? What matters? This divine life. Heaven is here and now. It's not next life after you've given all your goodies away. You matter, you count. I'd love to see you there on Sunday. And if you need support with your burnout story, I'm here for you. Just message me, reach out. There's a 30-minute complimentary session for you. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.